Do you want to create an effective explainer video for your business? If so, there are 5 questions you absolutely need to answer before you begin. Question 1, who is your target audience? You need to fully understand your target audience and what is most important to them in order to create relevant messaging. You should also focus on a single group for maximum effectiveness. Question 2, what are their pain points? Pain points are problems. If you focus on your audience's problems, it will get their attention and allow you to present your business as the solution. Question 3, what is your solution? Provide a solution that solves their issues and addresses their needs adequately. This will get them to start building trust in your brand. Question 4, why you? Present compelling reasons for them to start trusting you and offer a unique incentive in order to win them over. Question 5, what is your call to action? You need to provide a single call to action at the end of the video to ensure the viewer is not distracted with too many options and does exactly what you want them to do. You should now be able to create an effective video that targets the right audience, addresses their problems, connects your brand with the solution, and gets them to take the action you want. If you need quality explainer video production and effective marketing solutions for your brand, visit netfreemarketing.com today.